One of the attributes which made the CFCs dangerous for the ozone layer was that their inert nature, which was why they were safely used as refrigerants, meant that they could then reach the upper atmosphere without reacting, which is where they could now interact with ozone. In the atmosphere, they can also then absorb heat. And so in addition to an ozone destroying potential, these molecules also have a global warming potential, meaning that, say, a kilogram of one of these CFCs might have the same ability to warm the planet as, say, 8,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide. The replacements for the CFCs, which were better for the ozone layer, they had a lower ozone depleting potential, could still have a high global warming potential, even though it might be less than the original CFCs. In an effort to stop depletion of the ozone layer, the Montreal Protocol limited CFC 11, also known as freon 11, or trichlorofluoromethane. Its production largely stopped in 1996, although it is still used in China. It has a high ozone depletion potential of 1.0 and a high global warming potential of 5,000. CFC-12, also known as freon 12 or dichlorofluoromethane, also was limited due to its ozone harming potential. Its production largely stopped in 1996, although it still has limited use as a fire retardant. It has an ozone depletion potential of 1.0 and a global warming potential of 7,900. HCFC-22, also known as freon 22 or chlorodifluoromethane, was a replacement for those other CFCs, and its ozone depletion potential was much less at 0.06. Its phase out or production decreased began in 2010, and what that might look like is, say, perhaps its incorporation into new refrigeration appliances might stop in 1 year, say 2010, and then the ability to add it during repair of existing systems might end, say, in 2015. It still has a high global warming potential of 4,300, which is less than the products it was replacing. HFC 134A, also known as freon 134A or tetrafluoroethane, was largely a replacement for CFC 12 as it was phased out. This HFC is still being produced, although its production reduction began in 2012. So, for example, it will not be incorporated into new vehicles made in the United States as of 2021. Its ozone depletion potential is essentially zero, and its global warming potential is 1,300. Still high, but once again, less than previous CFCs.